Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can install Kali Linux in Oracle VM Virtualbox. So let's begin. Let's go to Google search and search for download Virtualbox. Then hit enter. You can select the first option that pops up. You can go inside and you will see four options to select the platform packages. First one is a Windows host, second one is OS X, Linux distribution, and Solaris. You can install VirtualBox on this operating system. I will be using Windows host, so because I'm using the Windows desktop that I have. While the VirtualBox is downloading, let's head back to our source and type kali.org/downloads to download the Kali Linux. You can see little down there's an option for Kali Linux 64-bit VirtualBox. Click on that, then it will show you two options. I will be using Kali Linux VMware 64-bit 7G version, so I will be downloading that for my system. You can use the 32-bit if you want to use the 32-bit version of it. File that will be downloaded will be in .7g file format. We will need to extract this file since the Windows does not comes with the extraction of these types of file. I will need to install the new application, so I will head back to Google search and I will search for download 7-zip. This will help me to extract the files. So this is the page where you can see all the operating system that will be compatible for the 7-zip. I will be installing 64-bit version software since my computer is a 64-bit operating system. So I will download it. Once downloaded, I will install the software in my computer. It doesn't take that much long. At this time, make sure VirtualBox and 7-zip is successfully installed and the Kali Linux is downloaded. Head back to downloads and right click on the Kali Linux download. Then select 7-zip and go to extract 7G to Kali Linux extract to. Since I already extracted, it's gonna show me if I wanna do it again or not, so I'm not gonna do it. I already completed this process. After successful extraction, you will see it will have open virtualizations format archives. This is what you need for VirtualBox, otherwise it won't work. You can also download this file from my description to use in your VirtualBox as well. Once everything is completed, open VirtualBox, then click on File on top left corner, select Import Virtual Application, then browse the file that we extracted, click on that, open, then it will import inside the VirtualBox. Click Next. This is the default setup that has been pulled from the file system. I'll just leave it default. You can change the name and stuff. This is the agreement for the software license. I will click agree. It will start importing all the necessary required file for the Kali Linux. So this process will take a little time. It should be really fast. Once importing is completed, you will land in this page. First, let's head to settings. You'll see one error on the bottom for the USB 2.0 3.0 is currently enabled. Let's disable this, otherwise it won't work. Let's check that out. So let's disable it. Then we can see the error has been gone. Now we can safely run the Kali Linux. Once everything is successfully boot up, you will see the login page. The default username and password is lowercase Kali for both. You can change the password later from the terminal. As you can see, it is successfully login to the account. First, I wanted to make the screen bigger, so let's head back to devices on top and insert guest edition. It will allow the screen to be on a full screen. As you can see, it is full screen, so it's easy to work with. Now let's open up the terminal and set up a new password for our login. Type in PASSWD space KALI. So Kali is a user that is currently set up in this system. It will ask you for the current password. The current password is Kali. Let's enter Kali on both current password, and you can use the new password. You can retype the new password again. I think I might have already tried, so it will say it matches or something like that. I'll have to give a new password. Once everything is uh, completed, it will say the password has been successfully updated. As you can see, it says password updated successfully. Now our system is fully functional. Now we need to do a couple of things. We need to update the system. So let's type sudo apt get update. It will update the recent version of the software. It will ask the new password that you recently changed, because you are using sudo. So sudo is used for the root users. Once this is completed, we will upgrade the system. So for that, we will use sudo apt get upgrade. This process will take a little time. You can click yes, Y on this one. So once this is done, you are fully set up with the Kali Linux. You can start using it. In the next video, I will have couple of applications that I will suggest you to install in your Kali Linux that is useful to do a lot of testing and other information. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.